Good morning. My name is Desiree Smith, Cathlamet Welding. Welding is my passion. I started out as a cake decorator, went to school to get my art degree, but I was so bored sitting behind a desk drawing abstract content lines that I switched to welding. It's art in and of itself, and even the tables I'm making right now are a form of art for me. When I'm not welding, I dream about welding. I think about welding. I always am trying to improve my welding. This is what I live for. Cathlamet Welding is what I live for. Ooh, I love this song.